Hey devs, in this tool and tip video, we're going to look at the Json Viewer plugin for IntelliJ and Android Studio that lets us quickly validate JSON text from right within our IDE. So you see here on the right hand side of the screen, I have the Json Viewer tool window open, and then I started to type in some JSON, or at least tried, and we see down here at the bottom, we see this invalid JSON text. But if I do something like this, which kind of gets the idea across of what I want to do, and I then click Format, this tool will automatically format this into valid JSON. So let's look at how we can install this tool and then look at how we can use it to validate some JSON quickly within our app. So to install the plugin, we'll go to our settings or preferences if you're on a Mac. We'll go to plugins and we'll just type in JSON. And then that'll search for some plugins here. Now, once the search is complete, you should see the Json Viewer plugin. For me, I already have it installed, so I'll come to the installed section and I'll see right here, Json Viewer. If you click on that, you can see the details, which simply say a JetBrains IDE plugin for viewing formatted JSON text on the tool window. So once you go ahead and install that plugin, you'll be able to access that by going to View, Tool Windows, and then you'll see the Json Viewer tool has been added to that menu. So once we open that up, we can start to play with this. So one thing we could do is, like I already said, is I could say something like ID equals 5, and if I hit Format, it automatically converts this into a JSON string. Now, if I want to hit enter, and then let's say something like user ID colon, and we'll say 1, 2, 3. If I then hit format, we'll see that it is going to go ahead and say, ooh, invalid JSON. And that's because we forgot the comma after that first property. Once we've added the comma, if we click format again, it'll automatically move things down on to separate lines as we would expect. So again, I'll add a comma, and then now maybe I want to do something like user data, and then I'll add my colon, and then maybe I want to make this a nested object. And within this, maybe I'm going to do something like name equals Nate, comma, and maybe age colon 30. So I can quickly rough out what I want that JSON to look like. And then if I hit format, it's going to reformat automatically for us into this nicer looking JSON string, which we could then copy and paste over into our app if we were looking for some quick testing. So this is a nice, quick little way of easily validating or formatting some JSON all within Android Studio or IntelliJ, so we can avoid going out to the web and using some other type of third-party tool. So hopefully this comes in useful next time you need to work with JSON. Thanks for watching. Until next time, devs.